Some of our new clients who have just started digital marketing often face this issue wherein they're unable to know how exactly to add payment method in Facebook ads. Hi, I'm Komal, Product Manager at Intelmo, and in this video, we'll see how you can add payment method to run your Facebook ads smoothly. So without waiting any further, let's get started with the video. So once you have logged into your ad account, you can click right here and then select billing. If you have been running ads before, then your payment activity will start appearing on this page, and if there is any sort of outstanding balance, the same will appear right here. So you can click on pay now to pay this outstanding balance. You can either select the payment method which is already added or add your new payment card right here and proceed ahead. In case you have not been running your ads, then your screen would appear to be something like this. There would be no transactions that would be showcased, and the current balance would also be 0. So what you can do next is you can click on payment settings. And right here in the option payment methods, you will see an option to add a payment method. So a screen like this would open up. You can edit your location and currency along with business and tax information from right here, and then proceed ahead with addition of debit or credit card as a mode of payment. So now I'll click on next, and herein I can fill my card details, name on the card along with card number and the respective date and CVV. Once that is done, I'll click on save and I'll receive an OTP. Once that OTP is received, you can input the same and your payment method would be added to your Facebook ad account. So once the payment method is added here, it starts to show something like this. Your card would start showing here, and you can further add more payment methods if you want by following the same procedure, that is by clicking on add payment method and putting in your card details. Hope that now you have no doubts regarding addition of payment method in Facebook. If you still have any doubt or any sort of question, you can mention the same in the comment section below. Also, if you have been running digital marketing campaigns, then to ease your work, Intelmo has launched Ready-Made Ad Stock, which allows you to launch ready-made ads along with campaigns within minutes. Do not forget to check it out. Link of our website is in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching the video.